In today's video, I'll show you how to see the list of journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. The easiest way to view all journal entries is through the Reports section. On the left panel, click Reports. This opens the Reporting Center where all built-in reports are located. Next, go to the Standard tab. This section contains all default reports organized by category. Scroll down until you find the For My Accountant section. This area includes more advanced accounting reports. Look for the report called Journal and click it. QuickBooks will generate a report showing all journal entries based on the current date range. You'll see details like the date, journal number, memo, affected accounts, and the debit and credit amounts. Each journal entry is grouped together, making it easy to review and confirm that everything is balanced. If the list is too long, you can adjust the date range or filters at the top to narrow down the results. You can also click on any entry to open it and review more details. If needed, you can print or export the report for sharing or record keeping. That's it. You now know how to view the full list of journal entries in QuickBooks Online.